Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to SuccessFactors account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.sap.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of SAP. Go and click on the human icon at the top right hand corner. To log into an existing account, you can click the login button on the right hand side of the screen. If you don't have an account yet, fill in the information in the text boxes and activate your account. After clicking on the login button, you'll end up in the sign in page. Type in your SAP Universal ID or your email address associated with the account and click Next. Enter your password associated with the account on the next page. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after filling in the password, click Sign in order to log in to SuccessFactors account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.